Guess what happened last night? Oh, it's just beautiful. Snow. I love snow. It's not sticking on the road though, but sticking on the roof. And I don't know if you can see it there snowing. So beautiful. And I was just thinking, this trip needs a bit of snow. You just add to the vibrance. So hopefully it snows tonight. So, hotel staff is lovely and friendly. Problem is, it's going to cost me €50 in a taxi to get to Twitter. So that's €50 there, €50 back, and then the entrance fee. Now he did say there was a bus. I don't think it's like a major tourist attraction here yet, so we might be at the precipice of this. So there's not really a what you call infrastructure. So thought seeing it starts snowing, we're to get a little walk in, run this battery down, and then go back and see if I can research how to get. By the way, I have a baseball cap on, so people probably think I'm nuts. It doesn't show up on this church. Oh, it shows up on the roof. Beautiful. You know, I was kind of hoping for some snow in Czech. I think I was saying it would have made the lights look fantastic. It just looks beautiful. Here really yesterday, but looks like they left the chairs out, the tables out, so it's safe enough. Like, do that in Talladega, you just destroyed. Hopefully you can see the snow. Coming down. Snow's getting a bit thicker, which is great. Snow tastes like snow. It's weird. I thought everything tastes like chicken in the Matrix. Yeah. Don't need to park and make it to know which one's been staying here the longest now with the snow. Haha. Little PC stuff. Beautiful snow. It's supposed to be some in Ireland as well. So hopefully I'll hold off until I get back. I'd love to get some nice snow photos. Let's go. That's nice. It's pretty. It's a nice building too. That building looks savage. Into the middle to get that straight on. That looks beautiful. Going this way for the photo. And then that's usual. We're going now to put it down there. And then I almost forgot about this place. I wanted to check this one out as well. So, a few lovely extras. Listen, I think the snow is just making it today. It really is just making it. I really hope the camera's picking it up. It's almost like a standstill kind of moment. Look at that. See if we can zoom in a bit on that. Details here. Look at that. Beautiful. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. I think we're in Romania. I don't know. There should be signs somewhere telling me I'm in Romania. I've got way too many memory cards. Look at this gigantic building. It's huge. I don't even think there's any point in getting close to it, like it's still under construction. There's a big concrete column there and it looks more magnificent from here. Oh, it looks like there's a balcony there as well. You can get out and walk around. Well, it's constructed like. Cluj might be the up and coming, hidden gem of Europe. I think I've seen a few tourists around, but not many. Like if they do it right now with the tours to tour that. Yeah. Now there's a lot of Irish here for some reason. That's Central Cemetery, Temple Gardens. There's a piece of art there. And the walls look fantastic. Hopefully you're seeing the snow. Like I thought it was going to stop. The roof tiles, the details, fantastic. Look at this sliding little door. Who's that for? He's like, my head will definitely hit off of that. Oh, my back is killing me. It's an awesome trip, this one. Really tall. Ooh. It's always great just walking around, not expecting that, and then just like, ooh, some birdie. I'm just gonna drive here because there's a wall thing in front of me. You have enough energy and strength and warmth. What are these? Cool. There's a step there. It was 52 day.